welcome back on my beautiful Pacific Northwest Fishing Fanatics, and welcome to the Fishing Garage, guys. Yeah, another one of those box reviews from, of course, Mr. Taco Box. Their Walleye Fishing Kit Pro Edition, number 248 and number 247. We're going to see how much of a difference is between both of those. And of course, two separate videos for both of them. So since this is 248, it's going to be moved right here. We're going to focus on 247. Contains 7-8 items, $40 value. And just so you guys know, the paid full price at Walmart, I think it's $35. So you save $5 according to this. But you guys know for a fact that I'm going to be 100% honest. I am going to do the light test review. So without any further ado, we're going to go ahead and put Pro Y 247. 247? Yep. And let's open this bad boy up. And I'm not sponsored by Mr. Taco Box, nor endorsed by any other one else. I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion about what comes in here, based off of what I've already gotten before, and based off of also trying this for my first time. Alright. First off, you guys know I like the dibble. Then they have their what's inside with the prices anymore. And they have the punching sticker guy. Okay. First off, we have a Vexton Pro Wally Hardness, number 4 Colorado, 14 pound, 40 inch long, 2 hook rig, red number 2 hooks, and it says it glows. Next here we have Rippin' Minnow Northland Fishing Tackle, 1/4 ounce. And these are glow chartreuse. And don't forget, guys, you guys will get an in-depth review of everything that comes in here as well. Next here we have Fireball Stingin' Jig, long chain wide gap live bait hook. From Northern Tackle, these are 3/8 ounce. Multicolors. Next here we have a Lindy Legendary Fishing Tackle, 5/16 glow streak. Easy tool removal, comes with the glow sticks as well. This one here is the pink shad. I really do like that. Next here we got the CT8. Let's see, tell me. Copper black. It's not like copper black to me, but I really like the eyes and the details on this one, guys. I think it actually might be the first one I've gotten of that. And here the Acme V-Rod. You guys have probably seen this many times. And last but not least, guys, we have what I like to call their sample packs of big bite baits. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the what the heck. Really? What am I mean, I guess I can use them for the other stuff, but I mean, come on, man. You can't even give me a full bag? That's a no. And again, I've gotten these and you guys have seen these so many. They're nice, they work great, but I've already got like 50 of them. I don't need any more. The Rippin' Minnow from Northland Tackle, they have a really nice design. Their stuff is really solid, so that's a positive. The Fireball jig set up here, like again, you could pair these together. So they got 4 and 4, so it's kind of a win-lose situation, if that makes sense. But I always like getting jigs. I don't know why. Like I said, do a lot of jetty fishing like this. This stuff comes in handy for a lot of different purposes. So that's a yes. Over here, the Pro Wally Hardness. You know, it says it's 2 hook rig. Oh, multiples in here. You guys are going to love when you see this in depth. These actually are pretty darn nice. Next here we have the CT8. I don't remember getting this. If I have any in my box, guys, let me know before, but I like to design on it. Not too concerned about the color, as they're saying it's copper black. That's not copper black. Now, the Lindy rigger here. Oh, darn it. What happens when you have too much stuff, guys? This is what I'm used to seeing. This is a new one. I really like this new one here. Like I said, in depth, guys, you'll probably see it. Sticker, not too impressed. Tells you what's inside, but doesn't give you the prices on it. And of course, they're normal, dibble stuff. Well, box 247 here, with some of the items in here, I'm going to have to say yes in this box. I know. Let me check my temperature. But because it comes with some pretty exciting items to get out there, and if you haven't got as many big bites before as I have, pairing up with those jig heads will work perfectly. And a couple of items in there would work perfectly, guys. So, per walleye 247, that's definitely a yes for me, guys. Let me know if you've gotten this box before. Was it any different? Do you recommend this box? Did I give it too good of a review? Not a good enough review, Let me know. Alright, my fishing fanatics, this is the in-depth review on the Pro Walleye Kit number 247, okay? There's the dibble. Once inside, then QR code for you guys. Bring it up close for you. And then the sticker. This is the only glow stick here. So, pretty much with this one here, you get the holes, put it in. I'm guessing it goes in that way. I would assume for it. And, for the little glow in the dark items here. Alright, so you got one of these out. My guess is they go inside the stomach like that. As you can tell, that's a sharp hook. They disappear. So you take this tool here, and you just push it back out. Okay. Off my finger. Next, these are the firebug jigs. Different colors, of course. Here, the big bud baits. the ripping minnows. This is a CT8. If you notice here, where's it at? Alright, there's this copper black. That does not look black to me, guys. I do really like the eyes on here, though. And they're tied up. Very nice. Here, another V-rod. And here you guys gotta be careful, because it does come with this little guy in here as well. So what I like to do, as soon as I get mine, and at least have it hooked in place, so I don't lose that. But that's the V-rod. You guys seen this before. And last but not least, these guys. As you can tell, the beads do change colors. Alright guys, that's everything out of this box. Remember guys, hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Hit the good like, heart button, get my algorithm out there guys, and comment below. Let me know, what do you want to see next? What do you truly want to see? Remember guys, hit all those social medias and all that stuff. And of course, all that will be linked in the description below guys. And remember, tight lines and be safe.